Okay, you can say once you are completed with all the layouts, you will get this kind of layout at the end here. Okay, you can just add some more stuff like some expandable layout here, or some other scroll use like here for the horizontal scroll use. Anything which you want to like add in this layout, you can add. You can go with some other layout also. If you search on the Google, you will get many images. I will also share this same layout, this screenshot also. Is there any doubts in the layout section?
No,
Yes.
sir.
No, sir.
Do you
No,
want
sir.
to repeat me some things, some layout? Do you want to repeat me? Yes.
No, sir.
So can you build this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can add here some vector assets like on star also for the rating, or you can just uh, come here and add some another scroll use like horizontal scroll use for the dish items. Anything you want else you can add here. Just submit it by Monday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts here? Yes.
No, sir.
So if there are no doubts, we will end this meeting, right?
Okay, sir.
Thank you everyone. Bye bye.